In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a landing page using Canva. If you've been curious about building an attractive online presence or need a central hub for your web traffic, a landing page is a perfect solution. Let's dive right in and explore how you can create one using the user-friendly design platform Canva, which offers a plethora of templates to help you get started quickly. To begin, go to Canva's homepage. If you're not already familiar, Canva is a versatile online design suite that makes creating professional graphics and documents both fun and easy. Once you're on their site, the first task is quickly accessing the templates section. Hover over to the search bar. Here, type in landing page template. This action will prompt Canva to display a variety of existing templates designed specifically for landing pages. It's a great way to jumpstart the process if you're short on time or creativity. Now, with the display of landing page templates before you, scroll through the available options, take a moment to explore and examine the different styles, colors, and layouts. Remember, the right template will resonate with your brand vision and adequately serve its purpose. Once you find a template that catches your eye and suits your needs, click on it. This will lead you to a more detailed view of the template you've selected. After you've reviewed your chosen template and you're ready to take the next step, look for the button that says Customize this template. Click this button to open the template within Canva's design editor. This is where the real fun begins. You'll now have the flexibility to personalize every aspect of the template to match your brand's voice and message. With your template open, you can edit the text, replace images, adjust the layout, and customize colors to your liking. While editing, consider your audience. What message do you want to convey, and how can this page help achieve that goal? Use Canva's rich library of fonts and images to create something truly unique. You can upload your own images or choose from Canva's extensive selection. Once you're satisfied with your personalized landing page design, make sure to preview it to see how it will look to visitors. You can share it directly from Canva or download it for use on your own hosting platform. And there you have it. By following these steps, you've created a professional-looking landing page that will serve as a crucial tool in your digital strategy. Remember to keep your design clean and your messaging clear, ensuring that visitors understand exactly what you're offering and how they can engage with your brand. Thanks for watching,